If you need to adjust the PHP version in cPanel, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quickest way to open your hosting dashboard, find the PHP settings, switch to the version you want, and apply the change safely. This is useful if your website needs a specific PHP version for compatibility, speed, or troubleshooting. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy web hosting tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Once you're signed in, look for the hosting area in your account dashboard. This is where all of your hosting subscriptions are managed, so if you have more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one before making any changes. Next, click on Hosting List. This will show you all of your active hosting plans. From here, find the subscription that contains the website you want to update. It's important to double check the domain name so you don't change the PHP version on the wrong site. After that, click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for that hosting account. cPanel is where you can manage a lot of important website settings, including files, databases, domains, and PHP configuration. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the option called Select PHP Version. This tool lets you choose which PHP version your website should use. If you're running an older theme, plugin, or custom code, selecting the right version can help your site work properly. If you're using a newer website setup, you may want to use a more recent PHP version for better performance and security. Now click the current PHP version dropdown. In this case, it may show something like 8.5 current, but your screen may look slightly different depending on your hosting account. When you open the dropdown, you'll see a list of available PHP versions. Take your time and choose the one that matches your needs. Select the lower version or the specific version you want to use. If you're troubleshooting an issue, sometimes rolling back to an older version can temporarily fix compatibility problems. On the other hand, if your website supports it, using a newer version may improve speed and security. Just make sure you know what version your website requires before making the switch. After selecting the version, click Apply. This saves the change and updates your hosting account to use the new PHP version. Depending on your server, the change may take a few seconds to take effect. Once it's applied, your website will start using the new PHP version automatically. If your website has a cache plugin or server cache, it's a good idea to clear that cache after changing PHP versions. That way, you can make sure the updated version loads correctly. You may also want to refresh your website and test a few pages to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the PHP version in cPanel. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step hosting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.